Hello everyone! Today I have prepared some New Year's decor ideas for you. I think autumn weather brings a certain sadness into your lives, and New Year's holidays exist to dispel the bad mood caused by rainy and cloudy weather. So, I suggest you start preparing today. In these pictures, you see imitation Christmas trees. In my opinion, this is a cheaper alternative to a Christmas tree that is easy to make yourself. At New Year, Christmas tree. And some examples of advent calendar trees. In addition to Christmas trees, I've also picked out some New Year's decor ideas you can use to decorate both a home and a yard. Another New Year's trend this year is tulle trees. I think they look very stylish. What do you think?